Take a moment to check out the 2016 BMW 740i. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. You deserve a ride that was designed with your needs in mind. The time is right to take advantage of the technology, performance, and creature comforts this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss the opportunity to take this vehicle out for a test drive. Our team will give you an outstanding customer experience. Stop in today.